Okay, it's February 16, year 2024. Okay, this time I just purchased a few metal oxide Varistor. This Varistor, this rated 220 volts. Okay, I just replaced it and it's now working. Set the speed to medium, center. Okay, and let's measure the output voltage of the motor. Okay. There, the output voltage motor is now. You can see it's about one. That's 75 volts. Okay, minimum 50 volts. Minimum 25 volts. Okay, you can see it's a plug there. I'm going to increase it slowly. 50 volts, 75, 100, 125, and the maximum is only 150. Okay, that's the maximum. But I guess you can set it through this. There's some here, the Nmax, Nmin, iLimit, or whatever. Okay, it's working with the new Varistor installed. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.